For me, Mass Effect is really about exploring the human condition. And you know, I love the fact that science fiction lets us look at our prejudices that we have against other people here on Earth and address them in ways that maybe let us rethink them and reimagine them. And I do believe that science fiction, fantasy, things like that can help us overcome our inherent prejudices. Someone once told me, when talking about the struggle for equality with gay rights, that how are people on Earth ever going to accept alien species when we can't accept a large percentage of our own population? The vastness of space emphasizes the importance of these connections. I think by making it a giant exploration of emptiness, every time you do have a connection, you realize the value of it and the importance of it, because they're so rare. So I think that's one thing that allows us to sort of appreciate them more. You kind of take other people for granted now, other cultures, other countries, because you see them all the time on TV and, again, the internet or however. And it's very easy to not appreciate the wonder of the differences and just sort of looking at the strangeness of someone else and disparaging them because they're not like you. Anytime you encounter something new, you learn something about yourself, if you take the time to appreciate it. And Mass Effect was our sort of attempt to say, you know, if humans did find other species, other races, how would they react? We took a very positive role, a positive look at it, and said, we think it would bring out the best of humanity. It would sort of unite us, but in addition to uniting us, it wouldn't unite us in hate against the common enemy. It would unite us in a sense of who we are, because we see various things reflected in the other species that show us elements of ourselves that we then want to either emphasize or change based on how we react to those elements in the other species. Honestly, I think that might be the key to me in science fiction, fantasy. For me, I always like something that's more optimistic. I like the happy endings. Not that you can't have tragedy and suffering and heartbreak to get there, but I prefer something that has some hint of optimism. And I think, for me, science fiction always gives me some kind of hope for the future, hope for humanity, hope for myself. It breeds this optimism because I think it shows you possibilities, and knowing there's possibilities means there's good possibilities. My name is Drew Karpyshyn, and I'm chasing Atlantis.